Yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Odii and Prekese to do a spiritual bath or spiritual cleansing, to remove negative energy in your body, to remove bad luck in your body, to make your body pure and make your body good for anything good. Yes, anything good. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe and like the video. There are a lot to be taught on this channel. Yes, so how am I going to use this Odii and then Prekese to protect myself from any evil eye or any evil spirit? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a rubber bowl or any metal bowl that I can use for this practice. So once you get it, this is what we are going to do. We are going to add these two ingredients. I advise you to get a lot of them. This is just a video. That is why I've gotten just single each fruit to represent something. Yes. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to get this Odii. You can buy 4 or 5. The Prekese you can buy 5 or 10, and then you are going to cut the Prekese into pieces. You are going to also use this all the 4 or 3 in this bowl. Once you are done, this is what we are going to add to the mixture to make it powerful. Yes, you see, you are going to add this midnight collagen to it. So it's very powerful. It's very powerful. So once you are done, you are going to add this mixture, or you're going to add this. You are going to pour it so the lid is full. Mine left with small ones, so I just, for a demonstration sake, I can't pour all of it in it. So you pour it till the lid is full, and then you add it to this mixture. Once you are done, boil water. Boil some water or add some water to your cooking in your cooking pot, and then once it boils, pour it on it. Once it boils, you can use your kettle, you can use your what. Once it boils, pour it on it. Make sure you cut this into pieces. At least you cut it into 4 pieces. At least you can cut it into 10, but at least cut it into 4 pieces. Once you are done cutting them into pieces, this one you will not do anything to it. You just put them in, then you pour your water or your boiling water into this container. So you leave it for 24 hours. You leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you find out that, in fact, the decoction is ready. Remember to buy this. If you want it, sometimes people teach it just raw like that. Just add this ingredient and that is all. Though it works, but you want it to work effectively. There are some things, if you add to mixture, it becomes a catalyst that makes reaction faster. Though this two work, it will work for you. But you know, when we are eating banku and then you have okra soup, you see the difference between the okra soup and the soup alone without okra. When we are swallowing, you see the difference. Yes. So we say the catalysts make a reaction faster and easier. So boiling this into it, this one is also a spiritual oil that when you pour into this, it is going to make the decoction faster and easier, and then it's also powerful, induce extra power into it that you can use to cleanse things, bring peace, bring energy. After the decoction is ready, you can use this to do a lot of things. This decoction to do a lot of things. You can use the liquid to rub your business, to suck away or drive evil spirits that takes your money or makes your money lose a lot of money, and your profit is always low. It will drag away. Just add it to your the mopping water, and then just use it to mop your cement or your tiles or what, and then you are good to go. Once again, You can use this to bath. You are going to use it to bath for 7 days. Just fetch a cup of it, and then when you go to the bathroom, after bathing, you pour the cup of water that you fetched from this one on you. When you come from the bathroom, come and replace another fresh water into it. So the last day you are going to use all. So you are going to, if I always advise 7 days is good. The mixture should last for 7 days. So the last 7 days, you are going to pour all this into a bucket, and then you are going to use it to bath. Yes, and it is going to help you match. It does a lot of things. Take away spiritual marriages, bad luck, promise and fail. Some people, they be walking and the cobwebs will be catching them. A lot of things, we are going to do away with it. So kindly subscribe to this channel. In this channel, we are teaching a lot of things, and then we are dedicated to teachings of spiritual things and giving you spiritual tips. Yes, so just subscribe to the channel. There are a lot to be taught on this channel. Yes, so if you want this, you can buy it from online market or anywhere around you, your market area. You can buy it from it. Let me warn you on this Odiaba. Odiaba is very sensitive spiritual seed. That I have to talk about it a bit. If you are if you're a lady and if you're in your menstrual period, don't try to do these rituals, or don't try to touch this Odiaba, because even in my community, mostly the pregnant women and the old women, they are those, when they sell, it is very good to buy, because when someone is pregnant, it is not in the period till that person gives birth. So if that person gets it fresh from the tree when the person is pregnant, it's good to buy. If the person is old age, around 65, 60 years, 70 years, and the person is still selling, it's good to get. And it is very good to also get it from a man, no matter the age, because men, we don't menstruate. So this is very important. Make sure when you are in your period, you are not going to touch it or you are going to use it. So make sure you calculate the duration at which your menstrual period will flow, and then make sure it doesn't tally or it doesn't match with the day you start your decoction, because it's a lot of spiritual implications that though it won't harm you, but the effectiveness of which you want it to work for you, it won't work like that. But this Prekese is universal fruit that no matter your state, you can use it. But this one is spiritually sensitive. So yes, that is the small advice I have for you. Yes, subscribe to the channel once again. In this video, you want me to continue to serve you better and also give you a lot of tips, just like the video, and you can share the video to your friends too, for them to benefit. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.